The LunART Composers Hub is an annual educational program designed to provide extraordinary experiences to women identifying composers in their growing professional careers. During this intense 5-day program, composers will be able to workshop their pieces with festival musicians, attend masterclasses and have one-on-one lessons with composer-in-residence Stacy Garrop, attend talks and lectures focusing on marketing and finances for artists, and their pieces will be performed and professionally audio and video recorded.
I would definitely recommend LunART for any emerging female composer. I think it's a great way to just meet other women composers. So often it is a male-dominated field, so it's nice to be with people that are like you and to experience so many varieties of our art form.
It's been just so different to be surrounded pretty much only by women. It's like a very rare and powerful experience.
I didn't know going in how extensive it would be in terms of just including so many artists from so many different disciplines and celebrating women from, you know, every background. So it's been a really incredible experience for me.
To know that we as women have our own voices and we can be heard and that people can really feel it.
Not only be with like-minded people and women that also struggle with some of the things that society has, given us, but also to say that not only can you be a composer, you can be great at it and you can excel. And every bit of you is valid and beautiful as it is right now, and it's only up from here. You're only going to grow.
We are now accepting applications for our 2022 Composers Hub. Join us in Madison, Wisconsin for a week of celebrating women's creativity in the arts. Submit your scores by December 1st, and we look forward to hearing your music.